Oh, I should have waited?
Well, the birds left, but it's okay. They won't move that till they're here. I better have a quarter.
If you don't have a quarter,
I better.
you don't though. We're
You
going
don't know
home.
that.
We're going home.
If I don't have a quarter, this trip is over.
Yeah.
No, I have a whole bunch of stuff that would equal a quarter, but I don't have one. Ew, that one looks anorexic like a crackhead.
Well, we need to feed it.
Like if it was a person, it'd be a crackhead. It just keeps going. But yet you don't fly away. Come back.
Just don't fucking touch me.
Look, it just keeps jumping everywhere.
Where if I get bit?
That sucks. I don't have any quarters. What is this? How does one little small thing make a noise that big?
I don't know why I gave this fucker to fucking record. I stopped recording. You're fucking recording. You do suck.
Shut up. Asshole. All the birds are like circling around us like we're Jeepers Creepers or something.
What time is it? Maybe we can go see Jeepers Creepers.
What?
And well,
I got food.
I don't. I really don't.
Aw, they want your food.
I'm too violent.
Drake, that's mean. You don't have food.
Well, I'm getting them closer to me, aren't I? I don't. Empty.
Maybe there's like leftovers in here. No. That's mean.